Hey guys, this is the Bloody Barron again. I've done several videos with this setup with the 3-cell LiPo, the badass 2,350 kV motor, and a 7x6 prop. So today we're going to do the same setup but with the 7x7 prop. I've done a little bit of testing at home. The motor will get warm, but I think that while we're flying, especially outside today, it's about 50 degrees. I think while flying, it should stay plenty cool. So I'm going to try a few short bursts with some speed and just see how fast we can get this thing. Another thing I did is I was having a little bit of fluttering with the elevator, and I think the elevator rod was moving just a little bit. So what I did is I put a little hot glue around the area that I have this holder for the elevator rod, so the elevator rod can't move at all. And it's going to make the elevator much more stable. Like, it doesn't really move at all. It's really solid. And I think that's going to make this faster and more stable. So we're gonna put this thing up in the air and see how crazy fast this thing does. We're going to be flying in safe mode, maybe do a little out of safe mode, doing some flips and tricks and stuff. We'll see how the prop does. I'm going to try not to burn up my motor today. So we're flying right now at about maybe 40%. I can tell it's definitely faster. Oh yeah, way more. It's definitely faster, and it's way more stable now. And before it fluttered a little bit at full speed, now it just goes fast and stays straight. So we're gonna do a speed pass here. It's fluttering a little bit, but not as bad. It's definitely faster. I don't know if it's a whole lot faster, but I can notice it's a little bit faster for sure. I mean, with that prop stepped up, it should be faster, as long as it's not bogging the motor down too much. It definitely does good. I can tell that it's definitely more stable now that the elevator is a little bit more locked down. It's not really able to move like it was before. So I'm going to bring it around. I'm going to do a low speed or a low pass right kind of in front of us. Okay, here we go. Definitely fast. I wonder if it doesn't seem as loud as it was with the 7x6 prop, so I wonder if maybe we have a few less RPM now that we've got a higher pitch. But it's definitely fast. It's faster for sure. I'm gonna get a meter on this and find out exactly how fast we're going. We've got 2.5 minutes left. I'm gonna bring it around and do a few rolls for you guys. And full speed. What? Alright, let's do another high-speed pass. Here we go. So freaking fast. Okay, we're gonna try that again. I got about a minute left. So we're gonna do another high-speed pass and see if we can't keep up with it. Okay, here we go. All right, we get ready to bring it in. Now I have my timer set for 5 minutes. I've never ran it really past that because I do not have voltage telemetry on here. But just to be on the safe side, this thing seems to do really good. Because of pretty good landing in the bushes, should be fine.